After releasing the K9 5G in May, Oppo is reportedly preparing to launch another model from the same series, called K9 Pro. This smartphone is said to be released in China in the next few days. The launch date and the look of this phone have also been leaked on the internet. The information about K9 Pro was mainly leaked on Chinese online retail site. Oppo K9 Pro has already been displayed on 2 retail sites, namely Suning and JD. On the Suning site, the Oppo K9 Pro is known to be released on September 26, while the JD site displays the appearance of the Oppo K9 Pro. In terms of appearance, the Oppo K9 Pro has a different back design and camera model from the Oppo K9 5G. Oppo K9 Pro seems to have a camera model with a wider size, with a visible 9K super performance claim. Meanwhile, the remaining two-thirds of the back looks to have a clean design. Only the Oppo brand is engraved on the lower right corner of the back. This back design is different from the previous model where the Oppo K9 5G sports a slim rectangular camera module. On the Oppo K9 5G, the word 9K super performance are also on the back. The difference is the writing is affixed in the fairly large size on the back of the smartphone, parallel to the Oppo brand. Now in the camera model like the Oppo K9 Pro, although the back design is different, both Oppo K9 Pro and K9 are both equipped with 3 rear cameras. It is said that the main camera has the same resolutions of 64 megapixels. The Oppo K9 Pro has reportedly been registered on the Chinese cell phone certification site TINA, with some information about its specifications. According to the site, in addition to the 64 megapixel main camera, the Oppo K9 Pro is also equipped with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. Another leak states that the Oppo K9 Pro carries a 6.43-inch OLED screen and a 16 megapixel selfie camera.